If you are an UPSC aspirant, do not miss this video. I'm going to tell you top 5 news from the Indian Express newspaper of 15th May. So come, let's have a look. The first news is to attract foreign investors, government considers cut in withholding tax. Now, the Indian government explores tax cuts to lure foreign investors while navigating complex global ties, focusing on maritime security with Iran and high-stakes trade and Taiwan discussions between Trump and Xi. Now, this becomes highly important for GS paper 3 economy perspective and GS paper 2 international relations perspective, GS paper 2 polity and governance perspective. Moving forward to the next news we have. Behind government's ban on sugar exports, Iran war El Nino. Now, India has banned sugar exports through September 2026 to secure domestic supply. This precautionary move counters threats from El Nino-driven monsoon risk and fertilizer supply disruptions caused by the Iran conflict. Now, this becomes highly important for GS paper 3 economy and agriculture perspective, GS paper 1 geography perspective, GS paper 2 international trade and governance perspective, and there are prelims pointers like India's domestic sugar consumption is approximately 280 tons. Sugar cycle is the sugar year runs from October to September, and geography, the Strait of Hormuz as a choke point for India's fertilizer and energy imports becomes important for prelims perspective. Moving forward to the next news, we have Eagle Dragon in tactful tango, world watches. Now, US President Trump's high-stakes Beijing summit focuses on resolving trade wars and the Taiwan red line. Meanwhile, UK politics instability peaks with the cabinet resignation and maritime tensions near the Strait of Hormuz. Now, this becomes highly important for GS paper 2 international relations, GS paper 3 economy perspective, and prelims pointers like Strait of Hormuz, Fujairah Port, UAE, international bodies, the role of UK Labour Party in contemporary European politics becomes important. Lastly, we have how AI-focused GCC are challenging traditional IT services. This becomes highly important for science and tech perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.